Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, we learn about backside shoulder. Previous video for backside, link in the description box. You can get easily the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to show you a neckline and armhole shape for the front. Okay, here we complete backside 17 inches, shoulder 9 inches. Okay, this is the front and back both work to the same. Here we complete 16 inches 51 row for the front. Now from here, from round 52, we going to divide stitches for shoulder and for neckline. Here we going to make V shape neckline and shoulder. We going to start from round 52. Okay, here we divide stitches for armhole and for neckline. 47 stitches this side and 47 stitches this side. Into middle, this is a front post line, 1 2 3 4 5 line front post this side, and 1 2 3 4 5 front post line this side. Into middle front post line, here we stitch mark 47 stitches this side and 47 stitches left front and right front. Skip 4 stitches for shoulder. Here slip stitch 1 2 3 4 half double crochet into 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3 half double crochet into 3 stitches, back post. Here into back post is we working half double crochet into 3 stitches, back post into next stitch, skip 4 stitches for shoulder. From here, do and continue the same work, half double crochet into 7 stitches, half double crochet 7 stitches, back post next back post, and continue the same work to middle stitch mark stitch. Do and continue the same work as we working for the sweater. Okay, here we work shoulder and for neckline. This is round 52 and make half double crochet into 7 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is a back post. We stitch mark next stitch. From here, turn work for the neckline, round 53. This is round 53. Skip the first stitch, half double crochet into next stitch. This is a neckline shape. Here we going to make a neckline shape. Skip the first stitch, half double crochet into next stitch. Continue half double crochet 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, half double crochet into 6 stitches, front post next front post, half double crochet 7 stitches, front post next stitch. This is round 53. Continue work to the same as we working for the sweater. Okay, at the end of round 53, make front post next stitch, half double crochet into next 2 stitches, skip the last stitch, unworked half double crochet 2 stitches, turn work round 54 from shoulder, skip the first stitch, half double crochet into next stitch, back post next stitch, half double crochet into 7 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and back post, next back post. Do and continue the same work across to end. Complete round. Round 54 complete. This is round 54 from the neckline side. Okay, here at the end of round 54, back post, next back post, half double crochet, 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, half double crochet into 6 stitches, half double crochet into 6 stitches. Round 55, skip the first stitch, half double crochet, next 5 stitches, 1 half double crochet, 2 3 4 5 half double crochet. This is the neckline, round 55. Front post, here into front post, half double crochet, next half double crochet, next 7 stitches. Do and continue round 55. Continue work round 55. Here at the end, round 55, make half double crochet, 8 stitches. We going to skip the last stitch. Here into front post, make half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this is the front post. Here make half double crochet. Round 56, skip the first stitch, half double crochet, next 7 stitches, 1. This is the neckline, round 56, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, half double crochet, 7 stitches, back post, next back post. Continue work for round 56. Here at the end of round 56, make back post, next back post, half double crochet, 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5, half double crochet, 5 stitches. Round 57, neckline side, skip the first stitch, half double crochet, next 4 stitches. This is the neckline shape. Here we going to make half double crochet, 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, front post, next front post, half double crochet, 7 stitches. Do and continue round 57 for neckline. Here at the end of round 57, make front post, next front post, half double crochet, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Here into 6 stitches, make half double crochet. Now from round 58 we stop the decreasing. We don't decrease more stitches for neck, for shoulder. We going to stop decreasing for shoulder. From round 58 continue the same work, half double crochet, 6 stitches. We don't decrease more stitches, chain 1, Round 58, half double crochet into same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is round 58. Make back post, next back post, half double crochet, 7 stitches. Continue round 58. Here at the end of round 58, this is the neckline side. Round 58, make back post, next back post, half double crochet, 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet, 4 stitches. Round 59, skip the first stitch, half double crochet, 3 stitches. This is the neckline side. Round 59, half double crochet into 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Front post, next front post, half double crochet, next 7 stitches, front post, next front post. Continue round 59. Okay, at the end of round 59, this is round 59. Make front post, next front post, half double crochet into 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Round 60, turn work. Round 60, chain 1, half double crochet into same stitch, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Half double crochet into 6 stitches, back post, next back post, half double crochet, next 7 stitches. Continue round 60. Continue and make round 60. Okay, here at the end of round 60, make back post, next back post, half double crochet, 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Round 61, skip the first stitch, half double crochet, next 2 stitches. Front post, next front post, half double crochet, next 7 stitches. This is round 61, neckline side. Okay, follow and continue the same work as we done in round 59 and round 60. Follow for the neckline and for the shoulder. Complete the shoulder 9 inches as we done the back side. Okay, here we complete right front, total 32 row, 32 rounds for shoulder, 9 inches, 9 inches. Do and continue the same work for the left front. Skip the stitch, mark stitch and join yarn into next stitch into 7 double crochet, front post. Continue, do the same work as we done for the right front. Okay, here we complete a front, both side, right and left. Sew shoulder seams together. Here into wrong side we going to sew the shoulder part. Sew and crochet together. Do slip stitch. Slip stitch in a stitch to join shoulder. Do slip stitch in each stitch to join shoulder. Continue. Do slip stitch in each stitch. Do and continue. Do slip stitch in each stitch to join shoulder, as we done here. Okay, here we sew a shoulder finish off. This is armhole. From here going to start sew the side together to the border. Start from here and sew the sides together, right side facing together, and sew the side right side facing together. This is a shoulder. Okay, from here use a needle for sewing. Okay, use a whip stitch for sewing. Use a whip stitch for sewing the side to here and secure the corner. Make neckline border and armhole border. Here we going to add the same pattern as we done in the border. This is armhole. Here into middle stitch, join yarn, two chains, double crochet, make one double crochet around opening of sleeve, double crochet next stitch, one double crochet next stitch, double crochet, do and continue one double crochet around the opening of sleeves. 79, 80 double crochet around the armhole, slip stitch into first double crochet stitch. Okay, do and repeat 3 round front post and back post. Here make 3 round, repeat front post. Okay, front post into next front post and back post, next double crochet, front post into next double crochet, back post into next double crochet. Do and continue, front post into front post and back post, here into back post. Repeat total 4 round, 1 of double crochet round and 3 back post front post round. Repeat, do the same work for neckline and for this second armhole. Here we complete both of sleeves, 3 round, repeat front post and back post and 1 of the double crochet round. Total 4 round we repeat around the armhole, both side Here we work for neckline 4 round, repeat around the neckline. We going to sew neckline here. This is neckline opening. Use needle for sewing. Okay. Sew here the neckline opening. Sew and close the opening. Okay, sew and close the opening and finish off here. Okay, here we finish a sweater. I hope you like this video. For more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button for new updates. Thanks for watching.